Number 91, depth of the well. One method for determining the depth of the well is to drop a stone into it and measure the time it takes until you hear the splash. If d is the depth of the well in feet and t1 is the time in seconds it takes the stone to fall, then this is the equation that models how long. Well, that's your physics equation, I guess. Then if you solve that for t1, you get this here. Now, if that's the time, so basically you drop the rock, it takes time for the rock to fall. I think that you studied in physics. Well, it also takes time for sound to come back up. So that's modeled by this equation and therefore this. So, this is kind of a complex derivation, perhaps. Not really, but so basically the total time it takes is going to be this function of d. So how deep is the well? So what's the d value if the total time is 3 seconds? Well, the total time, if it takes 3 seconds for you to hear, is 3. So 3 is equal to the square root of d over 4 plus d over 1090. Now I think this would be kind of interesting to solve by hand. However, you don't even have to solve it by hand. I said you can use your calculator, and anytime I ask you to say you can use your calculator, then you can use the full capabilities of your calculator. So if you type this in exactly how you see it, solve, you type the equation in, comma d, hit enter. It gives you this crazy thing here, and you're like, oh yeah, that's right, I need a approximation. So you hit control enter, and it gives you 132.6 feet. 132.6 feet. Just because there's a lot of words, complex picture, it's because it sounds complicated, doesn't mean it is. They gave you the equation, you plug 3 in, you type in your calculator, and you're done.